In this video, I'll show you how to fix Discord not opening on your Android phone. Let's get started. If your Discord app isn't opening or keeps crashing, here are a few simple fixes you can try. First, open the Settings app on your phone. Scroll down and tap on Connections or Network and Internet. Now tap on VPN or More Connection Settings. If a VPN is turned on, disable it. Sometimes VPNs can prevent Discord from loading properly. Next, go back to the main settings menu. Now find the Discord app. You can either scroll through apps or press and hold the Discord icon and tap on the info icon. Once you're in the app info page, tap on Storage. Here, tap on Clear Cache and then tap on Clear Data. Confirm by tapping Delete. Now go back and try opening Discord again. If the issue is still not fixed, open the Google Play Store. Search for Discord and tap on it. If you see an update button, tap on it to update the app to the latest version. If it shows open, that means your app is already up to date. After updating, open Discord again, and your issue should be fixed. And that's it. That's how you can fix Discord not opening on Android. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more tech tips.